Hello and welcome to today's lesson. We're going on an exciting adventure into the wild, wonderful world of nature. Have you ever wondered how animals, plants, people, and even the weather all work together? That's what we're going to explore today. This lesson is all about something called the ecosystem. Let's dive in and see how everything in nature is connected, just like a team. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is like a big neighborhood in nature. It's where living things like animals, plants, and people share space with non-living things like water, sunlight, and soil. In an ecosystem, everything works together. When the sun shines, plants grow. When plants grow, animals eat them. When animals eat, they give back to the earth. That's teamwork, nature style. Types of ecosystems. There are many different kinds of ecosystems around the world. Some are hot and dry, like deserts, where cacti grow and lizards sunbathe. Others are cold and icy, like the tundra, where the polar bear lives. Some are underwater, like coral reefs filled with colorful fish, and some are right near your home, like forests, ponds, or grassy parks. Every ecosystem is different, but they all follow the same rules of nature. Who lives in an ecosystem? Let's meet the team that lives in every ecosystem. First, we have producers. These are plants that make their own food using sunlight. Next, there are consumers. These are animals and people who eat the plants or other animals. Then we have decomposers, like worms and mushrooms. They break down old plants and animals and turn them into healthy soil. Each one plays a special role. Just like in a game, every player matters. Why ecosystems matter? Ecosystems are super important to life on Earth. They give us the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. They also give animals a place to live and grow. Without ecosystems, life would be a lot harder and a lot lonelier. That's why we need to protect them. But here's the problem. Ecosystems are in trouble. Pollution from trash, smoke, and chemicals can hurt plants and animals. Cutting down too many trees takes away animal homes. Even throwing plastic in the ocean can be dangerous for sea life. When we hurt nature, we hurt ourselves too. Climate change and habitats. Another big challenge is something called climate change. It means the Earth is getting warmer. Ice is melting in the Arctic, which makes it hard for polar bears to hunt. Oceans are getting too warm, and coral reefs are turning white and dying. If we don't take care of the Earth, our ecosystems can break apart. And when one part breaks, the rest can fall too. What can we do to help? The good news is we can help. Even small actions make a big difference. We can plant trees to give shade and clean the air. We can recycle paper, plastic, and cans so they don't end up in the ocean. We can turn off lights and water when we're not using them. When we care for nature, it cares for us right back. Kids making a difference. You don't have to be a grown-up to make a big change. Kids around the world are starting nature clubs, planting flowers for bees, and cleaning up parks. Some are even teaching their families how to recycle. When we all do a little, we make a lot happen together. Let's do a quick recap. What is an ecosystem? An ecosystem is where living and non-living things work together. Who are the producers? Who are the consumers? And who are the decomposers? They each help the cycle of life to continue. Why do ecosystems matter? Because they give us everything we need to live. And how we help? We help by doing small things every day to care for nature. You see, you're already on your way to becoming an eco-hero. Now it's pop quiz time. Let's test your brain power with a few fun questions. Question number 1. What is a producer in an ecosystem? A fish, B, a mushroom, C, a plant, D, a bear. The correct answer is C, plants. Plants use sunlight to make food. Question number 2. What is one threat to ecosystems? A, recycling, B, pollution, C, planting trees, D, reading a book. The correct answer is B. Pollution can harm nature and animals. Question number 3. What do decomposers do? A, eat plants, B, break down dead things, C, make food from sunlight. The correct answer is B, break down dead things. Decomposers like fungi and worms turn old things into new soil. Nice job. You're learning so fast. Now, let's look at our writing challenge. In this challenge, you can earn points for a prize. It's your turn now to show what you've learned. The challenge is for you to write a paragraph answering this question. If you were explaining what an ecosystem is to someone younger, what would you say? Include what it is, who lives in it, and why it's important to take care of it. Try to write about 250 words. Be creative. Use examples from your own neighborhood, park, or even your own backyard. When you're done, send your paragraph to me by email, messenger, or post to earn points for a special prize. You can even ask someone to help you if you need help. I have created for you your nature writing card. Use this nature writing card to help you formulate your paragraph. Picture the place in your mind that you want to write about. What would you say as you were trying to teach someone younger than you? And give one big tip to finish your paragraph. Good luck, and I can't wait to read your writing.